5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
And this is
iCarly.
So we were in biology class the other day. Sam. So we were in biology class the other day and realized that not a lot of people know about the plasma membrane.
Why would they? Boring.
I apologize for our behavior.
I fell down the stairs many times as a baby.
It's true. Anyways, we need to teach about the plasma membrane because a lot of people are deprived of a good education these days. Together, we can end world hunger.
Yes. My hunger.
Why am I friends with you?
Because I'm amazing.
So, Freddie, didn't you prepare a PowerPoint for us today?
Yeah, I
PowerPoint,
created,
boring, no.
but I worked hard on.
PowerPoints.
Okay.
Okay, then Freddie, why don't you talk about the plasma membrane?
Okay, the plasma membrane is also called the cell membrane, and it allows certain molecules to enter the cell and wastes to leave the cell.
Okay, then let's play a game of Guess the Picture. To get the point, you have to guess what the picture is. Okay, Freddie, come on out. Guess the picture.
That's a.
Ew, what's that? It looks like two circles with squiggly lines. Wait, that looks like bacon.
No, Sam, that's actually a phospholipid bilayer. What it is a double layer of phospholipids. The phospholipid's head is hydrophilic and polar, while the two fatty acid tails are hydrophobic and nonpolar. Hydrophilic means water-loving, and hydrophobic means water-fearing.
Nobody wants to hear about plasma membranes. They're boring, Freddie. Plus, you're a nerd.
Okay, guys, stop it. Then let's move on to the second picture. Freddie, can you tell us about the structure of the plasma membrane?
The plasma membrane is considered a fluid mosaic model.
Go on, Fredward. Tell us more.
The plasma membrane moves more like a liquid than a solid. This is because the proteins and phospholipids can move laterally within the bilayer like a liquid, meaning it's a fluid mosaic model.
And what's mosaic?
Mosaic is like a pattern. Okay, that's enough for the second. Let's move on to the third.
Why don't I know any of this?
Because you don't pay attention in class, Sam.
Those are actually the different proteins embedded within the membrane.
That's B-O-A-R-I-N-G. Boring.
Sam, it's spelled without the A.
Whatever, can we play something fun now?
No, we need to educate those who don't get the chance to learn about the plasma membrane. Now, Freddie, please continue.
As I was saying, there are different proteins embedded within the layer, called integral proteins and peripheral proteins. Some proteins, such as transport proteins and cell markers, are only on one side of the layer, and others go through the entire layer and send messages from the outside to the inside of the cell about environment changes.
Enzymes are examples of peripheral proteins, right?
Yes. Now try to elaborate on some of the proteins that we learned.
Well, integral proteins are visible in the outside of the cell, and carbohydrates usually are stuck in them. These carbohydrates act somewhat as a label to the cells. The carbohydrates help the cells identify one another so they know who to attach themselves with.
That's correct. And
Carbohydrates generally help cells, but viruses can use these labels to their advantage by entering and infecting cells.
Wow, good job, Sam.
Thank you. I think I was actually paying attention to class that day because that cute boy from gym was sitting in front of me.
Well, that's it for this time on iCarly.
Thanks for watching. Catch us here next week to see some of Spencer's Thanksgiving sculptures.
Yes, Thanksgiving sculptures. We all know you want to see them.
So watch us next week.
And we're out.